My name's Carl and we're at Badger & Co and I'm making the blackened chicken dish that is on our current menu. Okay, so this is the bulgur wheat that's going into the pan. This is the main element of the tabbouleh that we make. Takes about 6 minutes to cook, so while that's cooking, I'm just going to make the rest of the ingredients for the tabbouleh. It's tomatoes and red onion that we use. We just de-seed the tomatoes and can be quite time consuming, especially when we're making a lot of this. The key is a really sharp knife with tomatoes. These parts of the tomato we will usually keep for like stocks and things like that. Other things in the kitchen. It's important to use the red onion in this because it's sweeter than the white onions and it's easier to eat this raw. So all of this stuff doesn't get cooked into the tabbouleh. So in the tabbouleh we also put loads of like fresh herbs because it's quite a summery dish. So we've got like a load of parsley. This was picked earlier, and this is tarragon, and we've got a small bunch of chives. So this just gets roughly chopped up and goes into the mix of all the veg. And then I'll just do the chives separately because they're all like straight and they're obviously a bit difficult to chop with the rest. Okay, so now in here we have all the tomato, onion, and we've got the chives, parsley and tarragon. And this is the base of the mix that will get the bulgur wheat later after it's cooked. So this is cooked, it only takes about 6 to 8 minutes to cook on like a rolling boil. And then I just need to go to my sieve. So we just drain off all the excess water. Make sure it's not too soft. So usually this is like left to cool until it's like super cold, because tabbouleh is like quite a fresh summery dish, so we don't actually have, it's not heated or warmed up, so this is just served as like the cold element of the dish. And then also into this we put like the zest of lemon and the juice, and we season it after when it's all mixed together. So once it's cooled down, stick all this in and you just get in there and you mix it all with your hands. So this is the tabbouleh that we use on the dish. So we use chicken breast and we coat it in, this is like almost like a Cajun spice. We just fully coat it. Make sure we get it all over. And then this is just char grilled. And this is where the blackened chicken part of it comes into it. It doesn't take too long on here, we just leave it like a couple of minutes. So it's about a minute and then we sort of turn it. As you can see, it's got like the blackened char marks on there. As you can see with the char grill marks, that makes the blackened chicken element of the dish. And then this just goes in the oven for 8 minutes. So these are the flatbreads that are just made with flour, water, cumin and fennel seeds, and they're just fried very quickly in the fryer. They take about 30 seconds to a minute. And that is them done. This is the blackened chicken straight out the oven. And now I'm just going to put the dish together how we serve it in the restaurant. So we take the tabbouleh and we make like a rough line down the middle of the plate. There we go, we don't want to be too neat. And then we stick in the flatbreads into there. So now we get the chicken breast and we just cut diagonally through it. Just creates a nice effect on the plate. And we layer that over the tabbouleh. And we finish the chicken with lime yoghurt. And lastly, this is just some raita. We make it with fresh yogurt and cucumber, and it has cumin in it as well. And we just put like a nice piece of that there. And that is the finished dish. Blackened chicken at Tabbouleh.